All right, good morning, computer science. Happy e-learning day today. We're going to do the same thing we would have been doing in class, just digitally. All right, so if you go into today's folder, there's a program here where you have to switch elements in an array. So there's like an array of teachers or something, and you got to like switch them around. It'll explain it in there. But basically, there's like a starter code here you can use. Please know that like if you don't have access to Eclipse or an editor at home, you can literally just type this up in like any editor, like there's the Google Docs editor online you could use on your Chromebook, or just any text editor. You could type your code right in here. You can't run it and compile it or whatever, but you could still at least do the code that way. Obviously, the best way is if you have an editor, do it that way. Okay, and then when you're done, you'll just turn it in either in Google Drive, or I guess you could put it up here if you want, but Google Drive would be better. Again, it'll explain it all inside of here. I just wanted to point out that you don't need an editor to do it. Okay, and then the other thing for today is an array quizzes. So you just click on this, and then there's a link right here that you play, and you can try to beat my score. I kind of kicked some butt here. I got 9,300, so I'm going to see if anyone can beat me. But anyways, that's it for today. I'm around all day today, so if you have any questions or whatever, just email them to me. I did put on our agenda, if you have any extra time, working on missing programs is always a good thing to do. All right, that's it. Have a good day.